Unveiling Biohacking, DIY Biology and Transhumanist Technologies. Greetings, fellow seekers of human enhancement and technological exploration. In this article, we will delve into the captivating world of biohacking, a movement that combines do-it-yourself biology with transhumanist technologies. Biohacking represents a fascinating intersection of science, technology, and human ambition, where individuals take control of their own biology to push the boundaries of human potential. Join me as we unveil the realm of biohacking, exploring its principles, applications, and implications for the future. Understanding biohacking. Biohacking can be defined as the practice of using technology and scientific knowledge to modify and enhance the human body and mind. It encompasses a wide range of activities, from self-experimentation with nootropic supplements and wearables to genetic engineering and implantable devices. Biohackers often operate outside of traditional scientific institutions, embracing a do-it-yourself (DIY) approach to explore and push the limits of human capabilities. Nootropics and cognitive enhancement. Cognitive enhancement is a popular focus within the realm of biohacking. Nootropics, substances that enhance cognitive function, are widely used by biohackers to improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. These substances include natural compounds like caffeine and herbal supplements, as well as synthetic drugs that target neurotransmitters in the brain. While some biohackers embrace these substances cautiously, others pursue more experimental approaches, such as self-administered gene therapy to enhance cognitive abilities. Wearable technology and quantified self. Biohacking also encompasses the use of wearable technology to monitor and optimize various aspects of human performance. From fitness trackers that monitor heart rate and sleep patterns to brainwave monitoring headsets, wearable devices provide biohackers with real-time data about their bodies. This information helps them make informed decisions about their lifestyle, diet, and exercise routines to optimize their physical and mental well-being. The quantified self movement, which emphasizes self-tracking and data analysis, is closely aligned with biohacking in this regard. Genetic engineering and transhumanist ideals. At the forefront of biohacking lies genetic engineering, where individuals seek to modify their DNA or create new organisms altogether. CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool, has unlocked unprecedented possibilities for biohackers to experiment with genetic modifications. Some biohackers aim to enhance physical traits, such as muscle growth or longevity, while others explore the potential for treating genetic disorders. These endeavors align with the transhumanist ideals of transcending human limitations through technology and science. Ethical and safety considerations. As biohacking pushes the boundaries of what is considered natural and raises ethical concerns, it is important to address the potential risks and safety considerations. While many biohackers approach their experiments responsibly and with caution, self-administered procedures and unregulated substances pose potential dangers. Ensuring proper training, ethical guidelines, and oversight are crucial to mitigate risks and protect both individuals and society at large. Responsible biohacking should prioritize safety, respect for ethical boundaries, and transparency. The future of biohacking. The future of biohacking is both exhilarating and uncertain. As technology advances, biohacking has the potential to transform medicine, human performance, and even our understanding of what it means to be human. Advancements in genetic engineering, regenerative medicine, and brain-computer interfaces offer exciting possibilities for biohackers to push the boundaries further. However, ethical debates, regulatory frameworks, and the potential for unintended consequences remain significant challenges that must be addressed. Biohacking represents a frontier where human ambition, scientific curiosity, and technological advancements converge. From cognitive enhancement and wearable technology to genetic engineering and transhumanist ideals, biohacking pushes the boundaries of what it means to be human. As this movement gains momentum, it is essential to navigate ethical considerations, ensure safety, and foster responsible practices. By embracing transparency, collaboration, and responsible experimentation, we can unlock the potential of biohacking to enhance human capabilities while upholding ethical standards and prioritizing the well-being of individuals and society. Let us embark on this journey of exploration and innovation, always mindful of the impact our actions may have on ourselves and the world around us. Ladies and gentlemen, please like, subscribe, and feel free to share the video. Thank you for your attentions.